How to only me featured photo on a Facebook story highlight. Unfortunately, as of June 2024, Facebook doesn't allow you to directly set the privacy of a featured photo on a story highlight to only me. So featured photos are designed to be a public showcase of your story collection. But here are two alternative approaches you can consider. The first one is to remove the featured photo. So go to your Facebook profile and navigate to your story highlights. Tap on the story highlight that contains the photo you want to hide. Tap the three dots in the top right corner and select Edit Featured Photo. Instead of choosing a new photo, tap Remove Photo. This will completely remove the photo from your story highlight. The second option is to create a new private story highlight. So go to your Facebook profile and tap on the profile picture to add a new story. Add the photo you want to keep private, and once you've added the photo and any additional content you want, tap highlight instead of your story. And here you can choose the privacy setting of your new highlight. Select custom and then choose who can see it, excluding yourself if desired. This way you created a new private highlight specifically for the photo you want to hide. You can always change the privacy settings of your story highlights later, and Facebook is constantly updating its features, so there is a chance they might introduce more granular privacy control for features photos in the future. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.